Guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Now before you guys start cringing, let me tell you one thing. I am not wearing any lipstick. I have this full face of makeup already done, and the only thing that is missing from my face is a lipstick, and that is exactly what this video is all about, right? And the second thing is, let us just suppose that my hair is perfect today and I am not suffering from a really bad hair day, because it's like I just washed them yesterday and my hair, they just don't want to cooperate with me sometimes, right? So let us just assume that everything is fine, right? Now before actually we jump into the video, I want you to zoom in into my eye makeup. Can you see? It's literally the entire rainbow color, right? It's violet, indigo, blue, then we have green if you can see, yellow, orange and red. If you can see, yellow, orange, red, then we have violet, indigo, blue and green, and this is pretty much the rainbow color that I have done. Now let me actually give you a brief about this makeup. I think most of you would know this, and if you don't, then let me tell you that June was the Pride month, and it was there to celebrate the LGBT community, and they had this rainbow as their symbol of support, as a symbol of empowerment, right? So I literally saw everything rainbow, from clothes to makeup, everything, literally lipsticks in the whole rainbow colors, then eye makeup in rainbow colors, and I was so fascinated with this whole rainbow eye thing that I did myself, and oh my god, I'm loving it. Now I just want you guys to take out literally 2 seconds out of your life and literally comment down liked this whole rainbow thing, then please tell me down in the comment section. I would literally love to hear your thoughts about it. Of course, if you like me and like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a video, and do share it with your friends, right? And of course, follow me on social media, and that is extremely important because I need to interact with you guys. And every link is given down in the description box. You can find me on Instagram, you can find me on Twitter, you can find me everywhere. Right now, coming to this video, I hope you guys noticed this, but I did not buy much lip products from Nykaa and Cubs and Lashes. The reason was because I was planning to buy these lip products from some other Instagram store. Now this Instagram store named as Affordable Makeup India, and it is owned by another YouTuber called Vartika. She has a channel Look Gorgeous, and she has this huge store over Instagram. And when I looked at the whole collection, I was like, no, I need to buy lipsticks from here. So that is what I exactly did. I cancelled literally all the lip products that I bought from Nykaa and Cubs and Lashes, and I quickly made this order from Vartika, of course. Of course, it's an Instagram store, so you do not have like this whole app and cart kind of thing. It's just that you list down the products that you need to buy, you tell this to Vartika on WhatsApp, and she actually ships everything. Now definitely I am going to put the link in the description box down below so that you can check her Instagram store. Now let me tell you one thing about this video. We are actually going to swatch all the lip products on the lips as well as on my arm. Let me just roll up my sleeve a bit. Right. And I'm going to show you the lip as well as arm swatches, so you actually get to know what these lip products actually look like. Now I have all in this bag, and let me tell you one thing, most of the lip products that I bought, they are pretty nude colors because I don't like wearing extremely bright colors. So if you like any of these lipsticks, of course I'm going to put everything in the description box. If you like the lipstick but you want this in some other color, oh, I dropped it. Wait. I'm back. Now if you want any of these lipsticks in some other color, definitely you can check that out on Instagram, right? So I think let's just get into the video. Starting out with the first product is this. This is from Miss Rose Professional Makeup, and this is in number 6, Spanish Pink. Now this actually has one side lipstick and the other side, this is this like a lip pencil kind of thing, right? So actually I'm going to put this on the lips first, and let me tell you, this actually retails for ₹199. This is the most costly one out of the. Okay, let us just stop cringing over this lip color because I am not liking it at all. This is such a This is such a bad color on my lips. I am going to wipe it off. I am just going to wipe it off. Honestly, it looked much deeper in the Instagram pic, and now this actually happened to me. I'm pretty upset. Let's just forget what happened with the first one, and let's just move on with our life. Now, other two lipsticks. I'm dropping everything. The other two lipsticks are these two beautiful lipsticks from Steel Paris, and this actually cost rupees 100 each, only rupees 100. Now I am going to start off with this brown color. I'm going to put all the hand swatches in the end of the video, right? So let's start with the lip swatches first. I must say it's a pretty beautiful color and I am liking it. I mean, this is literally something of my taste. I love such beautiful brown colors, and this actually looks pretty beautiful, right? And ooh, I'm loving it. Now this one is in shade number 3. If you can see, this is number 3. Coming to the second color now, we are just going to quickly put it on the lips. Now this one looks more like a brownish pink kind of color. I like this. I like it already. Although I thought it was going to be a little deeper color, but you know, as it dries, it's actually turning a bit darker than usual. And you know, I like this color too. You know, it's pretty much beautiful nude color. And this one was actually in shade number 20. You can see number 20. Now both of these lipsticks did dry matte, so I am supposing that they are pretty long lasting and they are pretty like wearable for the whole entire day. And of course they both dried out much darker than what they appear, and they were drying on a very beautiful side. So I think this one for rupees 100 is a clear win. I must say it is. Now second one up that we have is this from Hilary Rhoda, and Hilary Rhoda is actually another Indian brand, and it is Lasting Finish Matte Lip Gloss in number 20. Now this is a brown color. Now of course, as you can see, this is more on the rustier side, this is more on the stickier side, so definitely it's going to stick on the lips, and because of that it is actually like wearing out though. But I think this is something that usually happens with all the matte lipsticks. So, and I am still liking this lipstick. It's like wearable and I am loving it already. Coming back to another lipstick is this one from Kiss Beauty. This is Kiss Beauty Matte Lips Liquid Lipstick, and this one is actually in I don't know which shade this is. This is in shade 1. I'm sorry. It's in shade 1. And this is more like a pink color with a it tastes like boomer. You know, it has this weird boomer kind of smell that I am liking. This lipstick is actually more on the pinkier side than I prefer, but if I talk about this lipstick in itself, then I must say it's a pretty beautiful lipstick, and it did dry matte, and it's not like extra matte dry kind of matte. It's like on the very normal side. And you know, this lipstick actually is for rupees 175. I did not tell you. You can actually check out other colors. There are many other beautiful colors in this lipstick, and I am actually going to try some other colors too, because this does look good on the face. Now these are the 5 lipsticks that I bought myself, and then I got this and this as a freebie. Now this one is from Jersey Girl by Fashion Color lipstick in 011, and you know, this does have some pretty different kind of opening, and of course this is a nude color, as Vartik already told me that she's actually going to give me a nude color as a gift, because I've already chosen the nude colors. And you know what? Out of all the lipsticks that I bought, I think this by far is my most favorite color. You know, this turned out to be my most favorite color. Why are free gifts even better? I don't know why. And Wow, it's very creamy and very comfortable to wear kind of lipstick, and I think this actually retails for rupees 150. I did ask Vartika about the cost, and she told me this cost rupees 150, and it's so beautiful to wear and so comfortable. I think if I have to buy this lipstick, I would definitely buy it if this looks so pretty on me. I mean, come on. Now the second color, actually it does not have a name, so I don't know what actually this is, because this kind of product is actually available in 3 to 4 companies, and this is not like a single product, it is more like in a set of 6 or in a set of 12. So of course I'm not sure about this, so I cannot say anything about what it really is. I can definitely show you how it looks like. It has this beautiful orange color, and this is not something that I wear on my lips, so I am going to let go of it. So yes guys, this is pretty much it, and I am going to quickly show you the swatches on my hands. So let's just start. Now this is exactly what it looks on my hand, if you can see this, right? And if I'll show you, yes guys, this is pretty much it. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you are already liking this rainbow moment on my eye. And of course, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are a new viewer, and of course I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.